Matamis. Dito sa Pinoy Matamis, henyo, kasama natin ang mga security guards at alamin natin kung ano ang dala ng ating stewardess, Saida! Oh! Ayan siya. Okay. Ano meron tayo, Saida?
I prepare 2 kinds of street food, kikiam and sweet ball.
Oh,
Is
yeah,
your,
love kikiam.
Is your kikiam okay? Good.
My kikiam is very good, sir.
Is it clean?
My kikiam is clean.
How about your balls?
My balls are clean also.
Oh, very nice.
Why is it clean?
Because I washed it.
Okay.
Hoy, mga darling. Ayun.
Hindi.
Yung mga ibidabal ka, sa ina.
Parang kakaunti.
All the crazy shit I did tonight, those will be the best memories. I just want